Hi guys, we just did minor service on this Range Rover EVOQUE 2017. So I'm just gonna tell you how to reset the service reminder. So if you start the car, so it's gonna show you the reminder now. It's just gonna pop up. Alright, if you press OK to clear, the service required is here. So what you're gonna do, turn the car off, put the ignition on by just clicking the button once, and then you have to open the hood and the driver's side door, and then press the brake pedal and accelerator pedal together for 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna pop up the hood now, and the hood lever is right in the bottom there. It's a bit dark, so we just pop it up. Bonnet is open. We open the driver door. Driver door is open too. So I'm just gonna press both pedals together, wait for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna turn the ignition off and on again, and we'll see how we go. So we just have to wait 30 seconds. It's a bit of time taking procedure, but worth it of course. So as the brake pedal is pressed, the car is gonna start once, but you have to turn it off straight away, and then close the bonnet, close the door, and that will reset the service required. Alright, so after doing that, you have to turn the ignition on to make sure everything is done properly. Alright, so once we zoom in, you gotta press OK, and you can scroll down the menu from here. So I'm just gonna push down. We go to vehicle settings. Okay. Oh no, this one doesn't come here. So we might have to go to vehicle information. That's okay. Next service. Just finishing, all good. Warnings on top. Okay to clear. No warnings. So press brake, start the engine. All clear.